Okay everybody, welcome back. Today I'll be using a guitar sample of Loopman to try and create, I'm thinking a drill Latin drill sort of track, like Central C sort of style. So I'll play the sample. So I really like that. I reckon I could do a lot with it. So I'm going to find some drum samples. Okay, cool. Didn't take me too long to find some drum sounds. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to start making some patterns. So I'll bring in a hi-hat MIDI first of all. Put that down. That's sounding good. Now I'll do this with the snare just to start, and then I'll do that thing where it comes at a different time. So I think I've got that now. Just copy that and paste that over. Now I'll find the root notes of this and put down an 808 pattern. Okay, so I think I've got these drums sounding good. Now, I'm going to play it for you now, and I'm going to come in and do some effects work. So level it out, bit of gain staging, bit of sidechain compression, and then we'll see where to go from there. Okay, so I've got an intro sort of section, then I've got the main bit, and I've got this little drum pattern to go into the main drop. So I'll play that for you now. So I'm a fan of that. What else is there to do? Not too much really, just a bit of arrangement and work with this melody. So I'll start arranging out the track, splitting my channel, all that good stuff. So after a quick bit of fixing up some stuff, changing up the melody, all that good stuff, taking out drums, chucking them back in, I think I've finally got the beat I was looking for. Now, it's pretty drill, it's not fully drill music, but it's definitely still a drill beat. The BPM at 125 does sort of take away a little bit, but I think the main idea is still there. So, thanks for watching, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.